Hi, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a countdown timer in Canva. So countdown timers are really helpful for using as like a countdown to like a webinar launch or a product launch or maybe a sale you're having with your business. And it's so easy to create one of these with Canva. So in the templates tab, you're going to type in countdown timer, and then loads of professionally designed templates will be shown to you. Hover over them and you can see them counting down if they're video style. Some of them might be presentation style. This one is more of a presentation. This one is like a little video. I quite like this one. It's a vintage style. So I'm going to click on that one to customize it. Then we can go in and edit all the different elements to make it match our business a little bit more. So you have like the video at the bottom, and if we press play, it's got music to it as well. So it's kind of like the sounds of the clock going round. So again, we can go in and edit all areas of this. If you don't like that music, you can change it by clicking on the music, then clicking on audio and picking something a bit more, I don't know, dramatic if you want something like that. You can also go in, we can sort of change the text styles if we want. So when we go to the end, we've got shop now. Maybe you don't want to say shop now. Maybe you want to say sale is on, something like that. And you've got 40% off. And you can say something like 50% off, whatever your sale is. Make sure it's all spaced correctly. And maybe just get rid of that space. And just keep going and edit all the different elements. If it's too long, you can sort of change the length of these elements by dragging and dropping. Just make sure that they all line up at the end so it all looks and sort of is all accurate and ends all at the same time. But when you're happy, go ahead and give your countdown timer a name, then click on share, and you can download it and use it on social media or wherever you want to use it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.